Let's talk about the process that you will go through to get your original video that you've created for Google Academy from your Google Drive folder uploaded to YouTube. There are a couple of steps that you might miss, so we're going to walk through that. The first thing that I would recommend that you do is have your Google Drive open and go ahead and have your YouTube channel open. I have both open in these tabs at the top of my screen, and I'm just going to go back and forth between them. So we're going to start here in your Google Drive, and you'll need to navigate to the folder that we created on the first day. It's called Google Academy, and it has your last name also. I'm going to click there and open that folder, and in that folder is the original video that I've created, and I'm assuming that you have already completed this step. So the video is living in this Google Drive folder. We can't send this video straight from Google Drive to YouTube. There's a step in here we have to accomplish. So we're going to right click on this video file and come down and choose download. So we're going to download that video file. It's just going to be waiting in your downloads for you. And the next step we're going to take is to go to our YouTube channel. And if you are not sure how to get to your YouTube channel, you can pause the video and look for that option. So once we get to our YouTube channel, in the upper right-hand corner of your channel, you'll see your picture up here, and you're going to hit the upload button. The next screen is going to give you the option to upload files. If yours is not set to mark this video unlisted, that's the best option for videos. Your choices are public, which means anyone can search for it and find it out in the wide world of YouTube. Unlisted means that you control who can see it. You will send the link to the people you want to see it. You'll post links on your website, or you'll share links with your students. If you set this video to private, you are the only person who can view it. So unlisted is the choice that you want to choose here. And then we're going to select files to upload. We're going to click here. And this is going to open all the places on your computer where things are stored. And if you recall, when we were in our drive earlier, we downloaded that video. So I'm going to go here to my downloads. And you're going to need to think about what you named your video so you can search for it. And my video had my initials in it. And let's see if it went to the bottom. It was this 0JMC test movie. So I'm going to select that video file, and I'm going to say I want to open it. And it will begin the process of uploading this video to YouTube. There are some settings here that you can look through. You'll notice that it is set to be unlisted. If you go to advanced settings while your video is processing, you can uncheck the box to allow comments. Sometimes in YouTube, comments are the worst thing about the video, whether it's a harmless video or not. So I always uncheck that box to avoid having people comment on videos. I also sometimes go over and hit the recording date so I know how current a video is, especially with the pace at which things change in technology. So all this time my video is processing. You can already see that over on the left-hand side, you have a link to this video. Whether the processing is done or not, they've already told you what link you're going to use, but ours is processed, so I'm going to click Done. This is the name of my video, and here is the link to this video. So while I'm here, I'm going to click in this box, and then I'm going to right-click on this link and copy it. After I've copied that link, I am going back to my Google Academy site. Remember, this is the site that we created, and if you need to pause the video and stop and add your page for videos, you might do that. I'm going to click on the videos page that I have already added, and I'm going to go up here and choose the edit button. So I'm going to be in edit mode. I am going to get my cursor down here below this first video that I have inserted. So there's my cursor down below the first video. Then I'm going up to the insert button, and I'm going to choose over in this far column, I'm going to choose YouTube, because I'm inserting this video from YouTube. Here's a box where we're going to paste the link that we just copied from YouTube. So I'm pasting that link now. There are some options here that I can sort through. I can make the window size bigger. I can include a border. I can change the title as it's going to appear on my site, but I'm going to leave those right now just for the sake of demonstration, and I'm going to click Save. So you might notice that I have another video that appears to be inserted, but I can't really tell what it's going to look like until I go up here to the right in the upper corner and click Save. And once that's done, you can see that my video has been inserted here, and it's going to play in this window. You can tell that these are both YouTube videos because of the icon in the middle that is the YouTube icon. So that should help you get your video from Google Drive to YouTube. Just remember that that simple step of downloading it is important so that you can move it to the right place. Hope that's helpful.